Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in a brand new community, a brand new home. They haven't even had their grand opening here yet. Behind me is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with 3,282 square feet. They do have some variants on that. You can get a little less bedrooms and bathrooms depending on what your needs for your family. So let me go ahead and switch the camera around and show you this home. As you can see, it's a little bit of an overcast day today. It's February 26, 2020. This home here is going to be starting at $432,990. I'll give you a good view of the front of the home here. And it's got 3,282 square feet. So it has a nice patio here in the front, as you can see. So for outdoor living, it has a nice little space here for your rocking chairs if you wanted to hang out in the front and speak to your neighbors. So let's go ahead and go inside. Now, the pricing on the home is the base price, doesn't include lot or upgrades, and that will change with time. So if you're watching this a month from now, a year from now, 2 years from now, make sure you give me a call for the latest updated price, base price for this home. So as we come in here, it's got a really nice hallway here. And then over to the left, we have a nice sized bedroom for guests that come, or some of your family members. And then over here, we do have a full bathroom, as you can see. And then coming down here, we're going to open up to a dining room area. And then the main living area here. So you have your main family room here. And then you also have like a little breakfast nook here. So if you don't really use the dining room, you can use that like a formal living room if you want it. And then you have a very beautiful gourmet kitchen. Now the gourmet kitchen is an example of an upgrade. So if you do want that, that would add a little bit to the price of the home. Then you do have the walk through there to the garage. The garage door is right there, as you can see. They did do a lot of extra cabinets here as well. And they also upgraded the flooring, as you can see down here. So let's go upstairs and show you that. This door here goes to the Harry Potter room, which is the room under the stairs. So as I go up the stairs, I want to tell you that if you are looking to buy or sell anywhere in the Central Florida area, make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is Mike. Phone number is 407-487-3030. I'll be more than happy to help you out with any of your real estate needs. As we come up here, it's a very spacious loft. Let me show you that. So that there is where the entrance is there. They also did these rails here instead of the half walls. So let's go over here to this room here. This is a bedroom number 2. I believe this is the one that has its own bathroom as well. So as we come here, you can see it's nice size. And then yeah, it has its own bathroom. So it's an ensuite where someone can have their own bedroom and bath combo that's private. Here's a closet, which is a decent sized closet. And then we come back and we're back in the loft. I think this is really neat here. This reminds me of some sort of movie where they have some sort of fantasy movie where you sort of have a fake door frame going in. Little quirk of this particular home. So we got this here. This is a laundry room. And then we have 2 bedrooms over here. So this will be bedroom number 3. And they share this full-size bath here. And then you have bedroom number 4 here. And then I guess the master bedroom would be bedroom number 5 in this case, the way I was counting. But the master bedroom is over here. It's very spacious. As you can see, you have a sitting area here. You have a ton of area between the master bed, which is a king size bed, and the front of the room. So very spacious master bedroom, as you can see. Come this way and show you. And then you have the master bath over here. Again, it's got some nice upgrades in here. And they're working on the closet in here, but this is one closet, which is a pretty wide closet, as you can see. And then the shower. And then we also have the water closet here. And then we have the second closet over here in this area. So again, the base price on this home is $432,990 at the time of filming, February 26, 2020. If you do want the current price of this home, or if you're interested in buying a new home or a resale home in the Central Florida area, make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. You can call and text anytime. If I'm up, I will pick up. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.